Hello and welcome back to the YouTube channel for Oculus, the Data Insights people. Today we will be talking about a feature called Unify Observability. The Unify Observability feature allows you to see which of your scripts are currently running, where they are running from in terms of where they started from the browser or is it an automation that started it, the CPU usage, the memory usage, and how long each run takes. This feature allows users to see that their unifiers are running correctly. To get started with this feature, you will need to log into your Oculus instance and navigate to your Unify here. Once you have navigated to your Unify page, you will see a new currently running icon. Currently, all of them are red, which means none of my unifiers are currently running. Just as an example, I have started a Unify, and now you can see I have a green icon here, which indicates this Unify is running, while none of the rest are. If I would like to get further metrics on this running Unify, all I would need to do is click on it, like so. Once we have navigated to our Unify edit screen, we have even more statistics here. We can see that we have run this Unify from the browser, which means I click this run button here. We can see our current CPU usage and our current RAM usage here. We can even stop our Unify run if we wanted to. Down here in our Unify output, we are getting real-time updates of what this script is outputting. All of this is happening on our Oculus service. We can also stop receive our monitoring if we wish, which means we will no longer receive real-time updates. Now we don't know if it is running or not, and if we wish to see the current running stats again, all we'd need to do is click this button again, and out comes our metrics again. Here we can see our script is almost done, and just to show you that everything runs quite nicely, we are now not running this anymore. The script is done and it ran perfectly. I can read my outputs and everything looks just as I needed it to be. If I decided to run this again, it'll clear our output, update the service to run, and out comes our current run metrics. Let us assume that we have two of the same Unify runnings. We can see here one has been run from the automation and one I set off myself by clicking the run button here. I can decide to stop one of these unifiers. For instance, if I don't want two of them running at the same time while I was testing, I can tell the service to please stop the ones running from the browser by clicking on the stop button here. That stop button sends a request to the server and then stops the running container just like so. Now the one running from automation is still going and unaffected. With our new Unify Observability feature, we can also see our run times. If we scroll down, we will find our Unify stats table. This allows us to see each run individually. Our max CPU usage, our memory usage, time started, time ended, and the duration of that script that ran. We can also see output of previous runs by scrolling even further down to our automated run history. Here is what our script was outputting during that run. Finally, I have set off 3 of my unifiers to run simultaneously, and now if I navigate to my Unify page, I can see that indeed 3 of them are currently running. This gives me a great overview of all my unifiers, as well as helps me to stop, start, and update any of my unifiers based on the metrics collected by our Unify Observability feature. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to get the latest updates regarding our software.